Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, but don't worry. I will explain it in the easiest way possible. We are talking about life insurance. By the end of this video, you will understand everything. What it is, how it works, why it is important, who needs it, and how to choose the best type. This is for everyone, not just one country. Life insurance is like a promise you make to your family. It protects them. If something happens to you, when you buy life insurance, you pay a small amount of money every month or year. This is called a premium. In return, the insurance company promises that if you pass away, your family will receive a big sum of money. This money helps them pay bills, rent, loans, school fees, and even daily expenses. Think of it as a safety net for your loved ones. Life is unpredictable. No one knows what will happen tomorrow. If you are the main earner in your family depends on your income. Life insurance ensures that even if you are not there, your family can continue to live comfortably. Now, let's see how life insurance works. First, you choose a policy. The company will check your age, health, lifestyle, and sometimes medical history. Based on this, they decide your premium. Younger and healthier people usually pay less. Older people or those with health conditions pay more once your policy is active. You pay the premium regularly. If you stop paying, the policy may cancel. When you pass away, your family files a claim. The company verifies the documents and pays the money to the people you chose as beneficiaries, usually your spouse, children, or parents. Now, why do people buy life insurance? Because life is uncertain. Accidents, illnesses, or unexpected events can happen if you are the main provider. Life insurance protects your family from financial stress. It can pay for daily expenses, loans, education, or even funeral costs. Some people also use life insurance as a financial strategy. Certain types help grow savings, provide returns, or plan for retirement. Some people even use it for tax benefits or to protect their business. Let's talk about the main types. Globally, there are two big categories: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance is simple and cheap. It covers you for a set period, like 10, 20, or 30 years. If something happens during that time, your family gets the payout. If not, the policy ends. Term insurance does not build savings. It is pure protection. It's perfect for people who want high coverage at a low cost. Permanent life insurance covers you for your entire life as long as you keep paying. It also builds cash value, like savings. Later, you can borrow from this cash or use it for retirement. Permanent insurance costs more because it lasts your whole life and includes savings features. Within permanent insurance, there are types like whole life, universal life, variable life, and indexed universal life. They differ in flexibility, how the cash value grows, and how premiums work. Now let me explain the difference clearly. Term life is only protection. Permanent life is protection plus savings. Term life is cheaper. Permanent life is more expensive. Term life is good for temporary needs, like until your children grow up. Permanent life is better for lifelong needs, like leaving inheritance or building long-term wealth. Next, let's discuss the cost. Premium depends on age, health, type of policy, coverage amount, and lifestyle. Age is the most important factor. Younger people pay less. That's why it is best to buy life insurance in your 20s or early 30s. Smokers pay more. People with serious health issues pay more. Higher coverage costs more. Permanent insurance costs more than term. How much coverage should you take? Financial experts say at least 10 to 15 times your yearly income. For example, If you earn $30,000 a year, you may need $300,000 to $450,000 coverage. This helps your family survive for many years after you are gone. You can adjust the amount based on lifestyle, debts, and family needs. Who needs life insurance? If you have a family relying on your income, you need it. Married people, parents, single parents, people with loans or mortgages, business owners, all should consider life insurance. Even young singles can buy a small-term policy. It is cheap and can be increased later. Many people make mistakes. They think life insurance is only for the rich. That's not true. They delay buying it, which becomes more expensive later. Some buy very small coverage that doesn't help their family. Some rely only on work-provided insurance, which ends if you leave your job. What should you check before buying? Check the company's reputation, claim history, and financial strength. Make sure you can pay the premium without stress. Read the policy carefully. Know what is covered and what is not. Check for extra features like critical illness, accidental death, or premium waiver. Can you lose money in life insurance? Term insurance does not give back money, but you are buying protection, not investment. Permanent insurance builds savings. But canceling early or misunderstanding the policy can cost you. That's why understanding your policy is very important. How do claims work? When a policyholder dies, the family submits documents like ID, death certificate, and claim form. If everything is correct, the company pays the money. Some companies take a few days, some longer if investigation is needed. Life insurance is not just money, it gives peace of mind. You sleep better knowing your family is protected. You cannot control the future, but you can control the protection you leave behind. To conclude, life insurance is not just a financial product, it is a responsibility. It is a gift from you to your family. Even if you are not here, your love and care continue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand life insurance completely.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, but don't worry, I will explain in the easy way possible. We are talking about life insurance. By the end this video you will understand everything, what is, how it work, how it works, why it is important, who needs it, and how to choose the best type. This is for everyone, not just a one country. Okay, let's start. Life insurance is like a promise you make to your family. It protects them. It something happiness to you. When you buy life insurance, you pay a small amount of the money every month or year. This is a called a premium. In return, this insurance company promise that if you pass away, your family will receive a big sum of money. This money helps them pay bill, rents, loans, school fees, and even daily expenses. Think of it a safety net for your loved ones. Life is unpredictable. No one knows what will happiness tomorrow of you. If you are the main earner in your family depends on your income. Life insurance ensure that even if you are not there, your family can continue to live comfortably. Now, let's see how life insurance works. Life insurance works. First, you choose a policy. The company will check your age, health, medical, lifestyle, and something medical history. Based on these things, decide your premium. Younger and healthier people usually pay less. Older people or those with health condition pay more. Once your policy is active, you pay the premium regularly. If you stop paying, the policy might cancel. When you pass away, your family files a claim. The company verifies the documents and pay the money of the people you chose as a beneficiaries, usually your husband, spouse, children, or parents. So, I hope you like this video, and this is my first video. Please, for more videos, subscribe this channel and bell icon they press. Thank you so much.